Hello folks, in this video we will learn about encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the 4 object-oriented programming concepts where we can hide specific information inside a class. And to demonstrate that, I will create another class. I will name this class as secret, and inside I will declare a string username, and I will also give one value. So I will write #catchem 10 because he is 10 years old. Now inside my main method, I can create an object of the secret class. I will name it small s secret equals to new secret, and I can simply print out the username. So sout secret.username, and if I run this program, I'll get #catchem 10, and we are getting it. So there is no issues with that, but we will not be able to do this if I declare the username as private. Now there is an issue, and it's saying the field secret.username is not visible because this is private. But actually there is a way to access the username, and that is by declaring one public method. So I will write public string get username, and inside I want to return the username. So return username, and string is the return type. Now instead of trying to access the username directly, let me simply invoke the get username method, and we can actually get #catchem 10 like this, and we are getting it. But what if we want to have a dynamic username? And we can also have it. So I will go to my script class, and I will cut my username, and I will create another function, public void, and I'll name this function as set username. I will also pass one string name as an argument, and inside I will simply assign the value of name to the username. Now inside my main method, what I'll do is I will simply do secret.setUsername, and I will pass my username, that is #catchem 10, and then I have to call my getUsername method. So I will create one variable called secret username, and here I want to assign the value I'm getting from the getUsername method. So secret.getUsername. So I have my username stored inside my secret username. Now I can simply print out secret username, and we will get #catchem 10. So we are getting #catchem 10, and the first value we are getting is null because initially there is no value. So we can simply remove this part. So this is how we are actually getting the username that we are first setting, and then we are getting, although this is defined as a private. Now we can also define private methods. So let me define one method as private. So I'll write private void secret info, and inside let me simply print out that println this is the secret info. And now how I can actually get this method, and to get it we actually have to create another public method, and inside we have to execute this method. So public void get secret info, and now inside I will simply invoke my secret info method. Now this doesn't make much sense because anyway we have to call one public method to get the private method. So here what I can do is secret.get. We cannot call secret info, but we can call get secret info. Now if I simply run this function, I will first get #catchem 10, and then I'm getting this is the secret info. So this is the basic concept of encapsulation in brief, that we can create lots of like private variables as well as methods, and then we have to define other public methods to access those private methods. And for setting up, we also have to declare other public methods. So it's basically accessing private properties or methods using public methods. So this is the basic concept of encapsulation. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.